all we need to do is drive forward. He's been stuck there for about 5 minutes or so.
He might be. I'll maybe fall asleep.
Right.
Because
Just a minute. I'm going to... Arid? What's up, like? Yeah?
I don't know.
Yeah. There's a green... You see the green flashing arrow? Yeah, the green light. Yeah. You just need to drive in until that says stop. That's it. It'll start. Yeah. He
forgotten how the car wash works.
He forgot how the car wash works. Yes, absolutely. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? Keep going.
And stop.
Stop.
Backwards.
Back a bit.
Back. Oh,
Should we go and help him?
Yeah.
Oh no. See, I really don't want to walk in there. Yeah, I'll give him a hand.
Just. What were you saying?
Right. Oh, the magic of it.
No.
It's magic.
No, it's not.
It's not really, no, is it? It's just a bit of, it's just a machine that turns on when you get to the correct point and won't start if you overshoot it. Oh, God. He's so lucky. He's really lucky.
Yeah. We're not.
Because he's not really in the middle. He's off centre a little bit, so I don't know if his driver's side wheels are going to get done. Oh dear. Well, at least.
Here comes the science.
Here comes the science.
Well,
Oh.
I got confused.
So.
Well,
Yeah, he was just having a bit of problem. I don't think he realised that you have to drive in to get it to start. Yeah, he hadn't driven in. So he came round and I was like, what's up? He was like, it won't work. I was like, yeah mate, you need to drive in. Yeah, to be fair, I've used this loads of times. I've never put them in yet. Never come off. But I mean, he's off centre a little bit. Whether or not he's... Yeah, I mean, the brushes are working. It's got his wheels. Yeah. But, you know, you live and learn. Live and learn.